Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Jasadi Hardi dari kelas Administrasi Publik semester 2, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik, Universitas Muhammadiyah Mataram. Mata kuliah tugas UAS Bahasa Inggris. Baik, langsung saja. Yang pertama, present tense. Present tense adalah kejadian atau peristiwa yang terjadi pada saat ini, atau merupakan kebiasaan. Berikut ini present tense dibagi menjadi beberapa bentuk, yaitu simple present, present continuous, present perfect, dan present perfect continuous. Dan berikut saya akan menjelaskan dan contoh kalimat untuk setiap present tersebut. Simple present, rumus positifnya subject plus verb as is. Rumus negatifnya subject plus do or does plus not plus verb. Rumus tanyanya do or does plus subject plus verb. Contoh kalimatnya, she reads a book every night. They play soccer on weekends. He does not like spicy foods. Do you speak in English? The sun rises in the east. Selanjutnya, present continuous. Rumus positifnya subject plus im, is, or are plus verb ing. Rumus negatifnya subject plus am, is, are plus not plus verb ing. Rumus tanyanya am, or is, are plus subject plus verb ing. Contoh kalimatnya, I am studying for my exam right now. She is watching TV at the moment. They are not playing in the park. Are you coming to the party tonight? He is reading a novel. Selanjutnya, present perfect. Rumus positifnya subject plus have or has plus verb 3 atau past participle. Rumus negatifnya subject plus have or has plus not plus verb. Rumus tanda tanyanya have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Contoh kalimatnya, I have finished my homework. She has lived in Paris for 5 years. They have not seen that movie. Have you ever been to Japan? He has just eaten lunch. Selanjutnya, present perfect continuous. Rumus positifnya subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. Rumus negatifnya subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing. Rumus tanda tanyanya have or has plus subject plus been verb ing. Selanjutnya, contoh kalimatnya, I have been working here for 3 years. She has been learning English since she was 10. They have not been sleeping well lately. Have you been studying hard for your exam? He has been waiting for you for an hour. Selanjutnya, yang kedua, past tense. Past tense adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan past tense. Dibagi menjadi beberapa bentuk, salah satunya yaitu simple past, past continuous, past present, past perfect continuous. Berikut penjelasan dan contoh kalimat untuk semua past. Simple past. Rumus positifnya subject plus verb to, far from. Rumus negatifnya subject plus did not first verb. Rumus tanyanya did plus subject plus verb 1. Contoh kalimat, she visited her grandmother last weekend. They watched a movie yesterday. I did not go to the gym. Did you finish your homework? The train arrived on time. Baik, selanjutnya past continuous. Rumus positifnya subject plus was, were plus verb ing. Rumus negatifnya subject plus was, were plus not plus verb ing. Rumus tanyanya was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Selanjutnya contoh kalimatnya, I was reading a book when you called. She was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. They were not playing soccer in the park. Were you sleeping when I arrived? He was watching TV at evening. Selanjutnya past perfect. Rumus positifnya subject plus had plus verb 3 past participle. Rumus negatifnya subject plus had plus not verb 3. Rumus tanyanya had plus subject plus verb 3. Contoh kalimatnya, I had finished my work before dinner. She had already left when I arrived. They had not finished the museum before. Had you seen the movie before? He had just completed his assignment. Selanjutnya past perfect continuous. Rumus positifnya subject plus had plus been verb ing. Rumus negatifnya subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. Rumus tanyanya had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Contoh kalimatnya, I had been working there for 2 years before I moved. She had been studying all nights before the gym. They had not been sleeping well to the night. Had you been waking long before the bus arrived? He had been playing tennis for an hour where it started to rain. Selanjutnya yang ketiga, future tense. Future tense adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menambahkan kejadian atau peristiwa yang akan terjadi pada masa depan. Berikut future tense ini dapat dibagi menjadi 4 bagian. Yang pertama, simple future. Rumus positifnya subject plus will plus verb 1. Rumus negatifnya subject plus will plus not plus verb 1. Rumus tanyanya will plus subject plus verb 1. Contoh kalimatnya, I will go to the store tomorrow. She will call you later. They will not activate the meeting. Will you help me with my homework? I will arrive at 6 p.m. Selanjutnya yang kedua, Putri continues. Rumus positifnya subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Rumus negatifnya subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing. Rumus tanyanya will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Contoh kalimatnya, I will be studying at 8 p.m. She will be traveling to Japan next month. They will not be playing soccer at this time tomorrow. Will you be coming to the party tonight? I will be working late. Selanjutnya yang ketiga, Future Perfect. Rumus positifnya subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. Rumus negatifnya subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3. Rumus tanyanya will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Contoh kalimatnya, I will have finished the project by next week. She will have left by the time you arrive. They will not have completed the assignment. Will you have read the book by tomorrow? I will have graduated by the end of the year. Selanjutnya yang keempat, Future Perfect Continuous. Rumus positifnya subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Rumus negatifnya subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing. Rumus tanda tanyanya will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing. Contoh kalimatnya, I will have been working here for 5 years next month. She will have been studying for 10 hours by the time you go home. They will not have been waiting long when the bus arrives. Will you have been living here for a year by next summer? I will have been playing the piano for 2 hours by now. Thank you, sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.